For today's video, I have 3 wigs that were kindly sent by SHEIN in exchange for this video. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with this one right here, this beautiful like a wine red. I think that is very pretty. I think this one also is like 28 inches long and has a little bit of a curl. And we do have the bangs, so you can see my hair before, and then we're going to see what these look like on, so that's going to be fun. But I think these are amazing deal and amazing quality as well. So let's go ahead and try this first one on. Oh, and I also wanted to show how we have these little hooks so you can adjust the size, get the right fit for you. But yeah, let's see what it looks like. Okay, so this is definitely a lot of fun. I haven't had a red wig like this in many years, so this is definitely a different look. So you can play around with the bangs, just get it to set just the way you want and things like that with a wig like this. So really easy to do that and just have fun with it. But this one is definitely a lot of fun. Love the look. And such a great, quick and easy way to change up your look without having to worry about hair dye or anything like that. Okay, next up we have a short one. I want to show this and how it looks. I'm excited to see what this looks like on me, and it feels so nice and soft and a really pretty color. So let's try this one on. Same thing with those adjustable straps inside, so you can get just the right nice comfort for your needs. Oh wow, I love it. Very nice. Definitely a completely different look for me, but I really like it. I think it's very flattering, gorgeous, if I do say so myself. I love the color. I think it's a nice color for me even. Wow, it feels really nice. Feels very comfortable too. Very nice and stretchy. I have a larger head, and this one definitely feels nice and comfortable on my big head. And last but not least, we have this beautiful wig. It is a lot straighter than the other ones, pretty much straight, but we also have the bangs and this kind of a mix of colors going on here. So very pretty, very long. Let's try this one on. Oh wow, I love this. Very nice and straight. I think it's kind of like a flattering color on me too, so very pretty. It's kind of like an ashy mix of blonde or something like that. Very nice, very long and very straight. So definitely a really fun way to change up your look. I absolutely love all of these wigs from SHEIN. Definitely great quality, very affordable, amazing quality for the price. Like I said, a really simple, fun, easy way to change up your look with these wigs. So you can have fun with these. You can play around with the bangs, just easily get the look that you want. But yeah, absolutely love this one. So that is everything. All of these wigs will be linked below if they're still available. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite wig.